Back to the new video. Today in this video we are going to talk about the theory of the natural selection, who gave it, and what are the mechanism of evolution according to this theory. Okay, so the natural selection theory, it was given by the Darwin. Okay, so Darwin gave the natural selection theory. Okay, so now we will talk about the different mechanism. So first of all, the first is rapid multiplication and overcrowding. Okay, rapid multiplication. Okay, the rapid multiplication, it is giving rise to overcrowding. So what does it mean? The plant and animal, they have the great power for the reproduction. So they will if example we will take a plant, what they will do, they will produce large number of seeds. Okay, so why they will produce large number of seeds? To produce more of offspring. Okay, and what the what the plants or animal are doing through the process of reproduction, they want to actually survive. Okay, so they will give rise to new offspring so the generation can survive. Okay, now due to this rapid multiplication which gives rise to the overcrowding, there is the scarcity of food and space. Okay, scarcity means lesser. Okay, scarcity of food and space. Now the due to the process of reproduction, the all the organism, they need the space and the food supply. Okay, so as the population start growing, the amount of the food and space is becoming lesser. Okay, now this scarcity, it has given rise to the struggle for existence. Okay, what happens now that due to the large number of population, whether it is for the plants or the animal, now everybody requires the food and space. Okay, so there is a tough competition between the species also and with the other species also. Okay, so this to face this struggle, okay, the next comes the variation. Okay, so this variation, the plant or animal species, they will develop some kind of variation. Okay, and this variation, they will help the plant for their existence. Okay, and providing the better chance for the survival. The fifth point is the survival of the fittest. So I already told you that there is already overcrowding. Okay, and there is a limited amount of the food and the space, and there is always a tough competition for the existence, and for better chances of survival, this organism will develop the variation. However, there is a fifth point, that only those that are fit, they will only survive. Okay, suppose I can give you example for this, like suppose there are five birds. Okay, and there are two seeds only. So those birds that are physically fit, they will fight for each this seed with the others, and they will eat it and they will survive. The rest, they will die if they will not get the food. Okay, so this is the survival of the fittest, and this is the natural selection. The nature itself wants the fit organisms only. Okay, next is the inheritance of useful variation. Okay, so suppose just now I gave you example about the birds. So if the two birds are fit among the five birds, they will fight for the food and they will take it. So these birds, they have this good strength, right? So this will be passed on to this is the useful inheritance, and this will be passed on to the next generation. Okay, and the last is the formation of new species. Okay, so what will happen, I like let me talk about it again. There are 5 birds. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 birds. Okay, and we have suppose 2 seeds. So basically all these birds are small in size. Okay, okay, small size, and like they are thin. Okay, this is an example. So what will happen, just to get this, eat these 2 seeds, the healthier ones, suppose 1 and 4 are the healthier birds. Okay, so the healthier ones that are little bit thicker, they have more strength. Okay, and maybe they have the larger size also. Okay, then rest of the three, those will be considered as the fittest, and they will take the seed by fighting with the other birds, and they will just take the seed. Now originally these birds have a small size and their body is thin. However, the useful variation, that is the bigger size and thick muscles, is a good useful variation. So in the course of the evolution, what will happen, this slowly this positive trait is transferred to the new offspring, and eventually it will lead to the formation of the new species. Okay, by modification of the older one. So this is all about the natural selection.